Understanding the phrase, "It's all uphill," a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, "It's all uphill." This is a common English idiom that can be a bit confusing, especially for learners of the language. Understanding idioms like this is key to mastering English, so let's dive in. The phrase, "It's all uphill," is used to describe a situation that is continually challenging or difficult. It's often employed when referring to tasks or periods in life that require a lot of effort and don't seem to get easier. The imagery here is of climbing a hill, which naturally requires more effort than walking on a flat surface. To understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. After losing their biggest client, for the company, it's all uphill. 2. Learning a new language can feel like it's all uphill, but it's worth it in the end. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various scenarios, from business challenges to personal growth. There are other similar idioms in English. For instance, an uphill battle, this also suggests a difficult challenge. A steep learning curve, this implies that something is difficult to learn but not necessarily impossible. Understanding these related phrases can help you see the broader context in which "it's all uphill" is used. Use it in situations that are consistently difficult. It's often used in a sympathetic or understanding tone. Avoid using it for situations that have a clear end or solution in sight. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, "It's all uphill," and its usage in English. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to your language skills. Keep learning, and you'll find that with time, not everything in English is an uphill task. See you in the next video.